Welcome to Country Girl with Kathy Jarvis, and today we're in the high greenhouse and it's time to harvest the popcorn. Now, how do you know that it's time to harvest popcorn? First of all, you need to leave it on the stalk until it's fully mature, and the husk and the stalk itself are both brown. And you'll notice that the corn cob ears themselves have turned down. They're not upright anymore. They're down. Not upright, but down. This is a natural thing for the corn to do, and it allows for the rain to come and to shed off of the corn, this protecting the seeds that are inside. So this is definitely ready to be harvested. And that's what we're going to do today. Very simple. You just either break them or cut them off. See how easy they come down? Once you get them down, just take and cut them here. And it doesn't matter if they fall on the ground or not. Okay, some of the stalks had 2 and some of them had 3 ears of corn on them. You can either pull your stalks up and use them as decorations, or you can just get rid of them. Because they're not any good at this point. They're done for the year. They do have strong roots, so if you decide to pull them, you're going to have to shake them out. Make sure you keep as much dirt as you can. But this is our finished haul. And this was Purdue 410 hybrid popcorn. So I'm not going to be saving the seeds because I can't guarantee that I'm going to get the same results back as I got last time. So this is what we've got. This is what the popcorn looks like. It's not bad. You want to keep it dry now that it's been pulled. We have 2 different ways of doing this. We need to cure this popcorn. And you can either husk it completely, take the husk completely off, and put these on a screen or anywhere where they get airflow. They need plenty of air circulation, and they need to be a warm spot. Or you can make them into decorations. Okay, now that we have the corn harvested, we need to cure it. And to cure this popcorn, you have 2 choices. You can either husk it completely down and pull the husk off. Okay. And put this in break it off here and put this in a mesh bag or put it on a screen so that air circulates around it. Or you can do what I'm going to do and turn them into fall decorations. Pull the husk up like this. Get 2 or 3 of these. Get 2 or 3 of these done. And tie them together and have them as a fall decoration. These need to cure anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks. They need a warm, dry, well-ventilated area to dry. After 2 to 3 weeks, you can test your popcorn to see if it's ready to pop. And to do that, you just break off a few kernels, pop it the way you would normally pop corn. And if it pops good, fine. If it's real small and chewy and rough, then it's got too much moisture and you need to leave it cure a little bit longer. If it doesn't pop at all, it means it's too dry In that case, you would add about 2 tablespoons of water to a quart of popcorn. Leave it on your counter, seal it up, leave it on the counter, shake it twice a day for a couple of days, and then try your test again and see if it's ready. Once your popcorn's ready, then you can store it in an airtight sealed jar. Usually a glass jar is nice. You can put this in your pantry as long as it's dry and dark, or you can actually put it in the fridge. But do not freeze your corn. Now you'll notice that on this we've got some damage here. That's not to worry about. Just pop those out, and it's either insect damage or moisture damage. But most of it looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of these. Like I said, I'm going to tie these together and use them as fall decorations. They need to cure 2 to 4 weeks, maybe up to 6, depending on how much moisture. The key is to keep them dry, not to let them get wet. So, hopefully we'll enjoy this popcorn. So, dream big, follow that dream, and like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.